Hi superstars, thank you for joining me. In today's course, we'll be talking about how to make your palm oil sell like hot cake. Okay, so my superstar, have you had this friend who's into the same line of business with you? And in a week, he or she has sold like 10, sometimes 20, 50 pieces of palm oil or whatever goods it is. And here you are struggling to make 2 to 3 sales in a week. That friend possesses a special skill which I'll be sharing with you in this video. This skill enables that friend to sell off massively. I'm Idon Sitiyang and I talk about businesses you can do online and offline to make money. So if you love this kind of content, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. Alright, one of the tips you use while you are trying to persuade people to buy from you is urgency. Yes, urgency compels people to buy even without realizing it. Okay, so imagine you walk into a shop and the owner tells you, okay, I just came back from a trip and I bought 50 jerry cans of this palm oil. And do you know what? 40 have already been bought by someone. Anytime from now, the person will walk in and pick them up. So we have just this 10 left. And this 10, anyone can walk in and at any time and pick them up. Okay, and I'm not even sure when next I'll travel because I have a lot to do for now. Okay, so if you're buying, you better pay right now because I'm not sure when next I'll travel. Okay, imagine what you would do. You hear that someone has paid for 40 and there's just 10 left, and at any time, anyone can walk in and pick it up. And you're not sure of when the next consignment will come in. What would you do? Wouldn't you pick whatever you need immediately? The person has created what they call urgency. You will feel pressured to buy because you're not sure when next you'll see it. So, creating urgency is one of the skills in persuasion that makes people sell like hotcake. Okay, my superstars. The next skill you use while trying to persuade someone to buy something is scarcity. Okay, imagine that you hear from a vendor that this year palm trees did not fruit well. As such, we have very limited and few scanty palm fruits to extract palm oil from. The last time I went to the market, I saw just very few kegs of good palm oil. In the mill, there were just few jerry cans of palm oil. There is no palm oil this year. The person has created what they call scarcity. Okay, and I have just these few kegs. I was just lucky, very lucky to find these few kegs left. So now you have seen it, you better buy it. That person has created what they call scarcity. You will feel the need to pay for what you have seen immediately before some other person picks it up, because you're not sure that the person will see, you will see it again. So the seller has created what they call scarcity, and this makes people sell like hotcake. Okay, my superstars. As another important tip to use while trying to persuade people that will make you sell your palm oil like hotcake is benefits. If people don't know the benefits of a thing, they will not buy it. If you're able to make people see a big difference between yours and any other person's own, a positive difference, they will readily buy your own. If you can tell people like, okay, I buy my palm oil from a very clean and neat processing mill. That's why most times I tell people to show process videos. You show the mill, if possible, where you're buying from, that it's a very neat place. The place is done, the palm oil is done through in a very neat process. People will tend to buy from you. If you're able to tell people the advantage of your own palm oil, like, okay, your palm oil was processed from very fresh palm fruits, as such, it is of very good quality. If you're able to tell people that your palm oil was processed and there was no moisture in it compared to other people's own, people will tend to like want your own. Okay, so I've seen people who are into buying and reselling of palm oil. They make sure the containers they use to package their own palm oil, these 5 cl containers they use to package their palm oil, is well corked, and they show their viewers that the containers are washed with steam, and they go a step ahead to like maybe rework on the oil before storing it in those containers. This like intrigues people because most people think that palm oil is produced under very unhygienic conditions. So if you're able to convince people that your palm oil is produced hygienically, they will tend to like buy your own like hot cake. Some will not even mind the price. They are after the quality. They are after the quality, not the quantity, not the price. They are ready to pay whatever price it is for quality. Okay, my superstars. So if you wanted to sell like hot cake, try and find out benefits of your own palm oil. Come up with something that will catch your buyers and make them buy from you. Okay, my superstars. All right. Hey, the next thing you need to do while trying to persuade people to buy your palm oil is to use famous people. Have you ever wondered why brands use celebrities and top people in different industries to advertise their products? It's because people believe in them, people love them, people want to be like them. So if people hear that they are using your palm oil, they could feel that there's something in that palm oil that is making them superstars. So if you can find famous people in whatever field it is, people who are of influence, and ask them to write testimonials or do video testimonials of your product, then believe me, my superstar, you will sell that palm oil like hotcake. It works. Okay, my superstars, this is a fantastic persuasion tip that makes people sell like hotcake. Okay, my superstars, so if there's anything you did not understand in the course of this video, please leave a question in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. Alright, and if you're just joining us for the first time, you are welcome to this superstar family. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. And please don't forget to turn on your notification bell for notifications whenever there's a new video. Until our next video, always and always remember that I love you.